Hey, what's up guys, this is Science Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing this Skyloong SK64 Mechanical keyboard. Now if you're wondering why the box looks so beat up, it's because I actually got this at a cool place called In and Outlet. Go search it up yourself. I'll go put the location link below. It's so cool. So yeah, this keyboard on Amazon retails for like $70. Well, I got it for $7. It's a good deal. So yeah, this is the review for it, and let's get started. Oh. How am I supposed to take this out? Alright, there we go. Alright, so this is the keyboard itself. I had no choice but to take this color because it was the only color there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is mechanical. It uses Gateron red switches, which I'll show you later. And yeah, so the aesthetics looks very nice. The delete button is just a trash can. So let's take a look at the accessories. Ooh, a box. Let's see what's in this box. So in the box you get the keycap remover, tweezers to take the switches out. I'm not sure, and some different alternate keys for the control key, Windows key, and Alt key. So first up is the control key, the option key, and the command key. So putting the accessories to the side, these keys are hot swappable. That means that they're made so you can swap the keys like a lot. So let's try that with the control key. It'll just be like yeet, 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 and we remove it. I don't want to break this. Yeah, I'm not sure how you do that. Hold up. And you pull off. There. Very easy. So here you see the Gateron red switches. They're upside down, but that's how it's supposed to be. These are RGB, and they're optical switches. Meaning I'm stupid and I don't know. These are the switches that don't make like sound, like the blue switches, which are clicky. I'll show you later. So yeah. Now we put on the control key. Very easy. Very easy. And what? Like that, it's switched. So putting the accessories to the side, let's take a closer look at the RGB. Whoa, RGB. So the modes are press FN, press this, and it'll have this little, like each button you press is going to be a different color. Very nice. If you do that again, you'll have these lines for the row that you press. Very nice. If you press it again, it'll have a wave effect. Whoa. If you press it again, it'll have voice recognition. Very nice. Bah! Yeah, and yeah, I think that's it for that one. and if you do that, it just turns off. Yeah. Now, if you press FN in this one, there are different modes. First off is purple, which you can change on the software. If you press it again, it'll have like multiple different colors that are changing. If you press it again, it'll have just one solid color. This time it's green. If you press it again, it's a wave effect of all colors. If you press again, it's a wave effect but from going up. Yeah, very nice. And if you press this with the arrow keys, if you press the right arrow key, it'll turn faster. If you press the left key, it'll turn slower. And if you press the bottom key, it'll determine the brightness. Yeah, that's very nice. So the port is USB-C. And it does come with this cable, which is a nice long braided cable. Yeah, very nice. So at this point, I would do some typing and some testing. But, yeah, I'm bad at typing. So let's just do some ASMR. So yeah, overall this keyboard is a very good keyboard. Definitely worth $70. Yeah, if you want a good, slightly silent but very satisfying keyboard that you use for gaming, typing, and other things you would use for a keyboard, definitely go for this. Now, I will like to note that this is a very small keyboard. It doesn't have the F key row, and it doesn't have the number pad on the right. So yeah, you get your money's worth if you're looking for a small keyboard. I personally play games that use the F buttons. But yeah, I use this for typing in my school. So yeah, I would definitely super duper recommend this. It does come in another color, which is white. Or just lighter colors, I think. Yeah, it's really nice. So I will post the link to this keyboard in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any like recommendations for me to review, please put it down in the comments and I'll look it over. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Guess you didn't expect me to release a video right after the first one. Face reveal, yay! Goodbye.